Alright, so yes, I'm Roman and today we are in New York. So for today's video, we will see if Americans understand French, and I'll ask them just one question. If they understand what I'm saying and they get it right, they get $5. It's very, very simple, but there are two ways to play the game. If you understand what I say by listening, $5, but if you read and see the words, $2. Let's go. Hey man, how are you doing? You're good? ¿Hablas español? Sí. Yo está bien, bueno. $1. Yo voy a comprar una botella si me respondes algunas preguntas. Una sola pregunta, pero hay que responder correctamente. Entonces, te voy a decir una frase en francés y si me dices lo que digo, entonces compro uno. U2 para nosotros. ¿Estamos de acuerdo? ¿Acuerdo? Perfecto. Ok. Entonces, escucha. Es fácil, tío, es fácil. Bueno. Qu'est-ce que tu penses de New York? Est-ce que tu comprends ce que je dis? Sorry, do you understand? Est-ce que espera. ¿Entiendes lo que digo?
¿Qué piensas de Nueva York, mister?
¡Joder! Es correcto, sí. Hombre, ¿cómo sabes?
Es que más o menos ya lo entiendo.
¡Oh, joder! ¡Oh, joder! Ok, soy nombre de mi palabra y voy a comprar 2 aguas para nosotros 2. That's the first guy. Oh, joder. Bueno. 15. Joder. Ok, dile algo a la cámara.
Muchas gracias por comprarme el agua.
Ok, obrigado, tío. Sí. ¿Cómo? Still good, yeah. Hello, ladies. Would you mind responding to a question and I'll give you $5? The very simple question is a fun video. It's in French, though.
Okay.
Are you both playing?
So are we just like trying to
guess what I'm saying, right?
Okay.
It doesn't need to be 100% correct, but close enough.
Okay.
Perfect. So here we go. Qu'est-ce que tu penses de New York?
Ooh. Wait. Pardon?
I mean, I can repeat. Sure. Qu'est-ce que tu penses de New York?
How do you like New York, maybe?
Okay.
That's my guess.
Qu'est-ce que tu penses de New York?
I know. Is it how? I know, but I'm trying to.
She knows some French.
Is it how long have you lived in New York? No, I don't think so. Because you would have said no. It is. It's how do you like New York? Yeah, I would say that too.
It's actually what do you think about New York?
It's actually the same.
But thank you, ladies. What are you doing here?
We're promoting Chicago the musical.
All right, so I still take one in support
You
of.
get a discount on it. You can use it.
Well, she's going to go shopping afterwards in any case, so that's good. All right, thank you guys so much. Et bonne journée. What are your names? Ian. Matthew, perfect. So let's go. You know no French.
No, I know bonjour.
You know a little, so wait. So this one is for him. There's another one for you. Okay. Qu'est-ce que tu penses de New York?
Say that again.
Qu'est-ce que tu penses de New York?
Times Square.
Okay. You did some French. How many years of French did you do?
Like 2 at most.
Okay. Do we risk it? I'll try. Okay, so dis-moi ta plus grande peur.
Bro, come on.
What am I afraid of?
Oh, what am I afraid of? It's close, yeah? Tell me your biggest fear.
Okay.
Do you say it's close?
It's kind of
I say it's close.
So I'll give you half of 5. What's half of 5? 2.5. Do I have 2.5? I have 1. I do have 2.5.
Alright, thank you.
Easy money. You're welcome, man. Take care. You too. If you respond to a question in French by telling me what I said in English, you get $5. Are you interested?
Yes.
So, what's your name?
Jose.
Jose. Are you French, Jose?
I am German, part Mexican.
Okay, so do you have any knowledge of French?
Excuse me, Paul, I like toilet.
I think I'm losing money. Alright, so I think you know something, so I'll make that with difficult. Okay. Are you ready?
I'm always ready for something.
Alright, perfect. Donc, dis-moi ce que tu as fait aujourd'hui.
I don't know what the fuck you said, but it sounds awesome.
That's awesome. All right, but you said you're part German. Tell us something in German, maybe.
No, I ain't gonna do it. I ain't gonna do it. I was gonna do the goose stepping, but
Nah, you're good with it. I do appreciate it, man. It was nice meeting you.
too.
All right, so we've got enough persons for today, and that is it. So, do New Yorkers speak French? A little bit. See you next time. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment.
What was it?
It's RomonWrites.
RomonWrites. When it's gonna be out?
Should be Saturday.
Saturday.
Yeah.
Alright.
All right, peace, man. Ciao.
CM, look at the US flag.
Macy's, you see it.
Eh.
No, but the Macy's